Alright guys, here's the 2-3 guided practice, but before we get to the guided practice, I just want to show you a couple more examples using decimals. So, we're going to talk about estimating, and we're going to talk about compatible numbers. The first one is estimating. So when you look at 22.8 and 13.9 and you're subtracting them, you want to make sure you are looking at, because it says to the nearest whole number, so you want to look at your whole number, but pay attention to the guy in the tenths place, because 22.8 means we're going to round to 23. And that's how you figure that out. And then this is our ones place, but we're looking at this 9 over here. The 9 is going to make the 3 go up to a 4, so we have 14. Okay? So then when you look and you think, what's 23 minus 14? You can either subtract or know that it's 9. Subtract. The 3 is smaller than the 4, so we have to borrow, making that a 13, making that a 9. Okay? That's the first regular estimating way. So 22.8 minus 13.9 is about 9. Now you want to make sure you keep that estimation in mind when you're doing the compatible numbers, because when you're rounding them for compatible numbers, you want to get to the closest number that's easy to round to. So 23, is that closer to 20 or to 25? Well, it's closer to 25. Is 14 closer to 10 or 15? It's definitely closer to 15. So then when you look at it that way, compatible estimation, you have a 10. Okay, so 22 and 8 tenths minus 13 and 9 tenths is about 10 using the compatible numbers way. Here's your guided practice. You're going to do these 6 problems in your notebook and then show them to me tomorrow morning. The way this happens is I'm going to do an example for number 1. So number 1, you line it up like this. And then you go ahead and you do your estimations. So 49 is closer to 50. 22 is closer to 20. What would my estimation be? 70. Done. Okay. Then you go on and you go ahead to number 2. You don't have to erase it. I only do because I'm on my lovely, lovely show me board here. Then you go on to number 2 and you write it in your notebook. Number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. When you have all of those done, I would like you to sign into Pearson and go ahead and do the, drawing a blank here, go ahead and do your quiz. Alright? Best of luck. See you tomorrow.